morning, children. Welcome to our EVS class. This week we will have our EVS periodical test. The syllabus for the test, lesson 1, 2 and 3. So once again we will learn from lesson 1 onwards. The lesson 1 is about our body parts. See, our body has many parts. Children, listen. Our body has many parts. These are the body parts. Head, hair, forehead, nose, ear, cheek, lips, mouth, then hand, chest, arm, elbow, stomach, wrist, thumb, finger, thigh, knee, leg, ankle, foot, heel, toe. These are the body parts. Each body part has a special role to play. How many eyes do we have? See, listen. We have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 nose, 1 head, 2 hands, 2 legs, 1 stomach, 1 lips. See, we have 2 eyes. How many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. EYES, eyes. 2 ears, 1 mouth, 1 nose, 1 tongue, 2 hands, 2 legs, 10 fingers. In one hand, how many fingers? 5 fingers are there. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both the hands. Here 2 hands are 2 hands we have. See, the another hand also we have 5 fingers. Both the hands we have 10 fingers. 10 toes. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 feet we have 5 toes. 2 legs we have 10 toes, 2 knees. Okay, children. Once again, how many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. 2 eyes. All of you touch your eyes and count it. 1 and 2. 2 eyes. How many nose do we have? We have 1 nose. See, all of you, where is your nose? All of you touch. What is the spelling of nose? N-O-S-E, nose. Then, how many ears do we have? All of you count it. We have 2 ears. How many hands do we have? We have 2 hands. 1, 2. How many legs do we have? We have 2 legs. 1 and 2. How many stomach? 1. How many tongue? 1 tongue. How many nose? 1 nose. Okay, children. Then, all parts of our body help us to do many things. We use our different parts of body for different work. See, we use our hands, fingers and arms for lifting, holding, writing, eating, making. We use our hands for lifting the things, holding the things, writing, eating, making. We use our arms, hands and fingers for this work. Lifting, holding, writing, eating and making. What is the spelling of lifting? L-I-F-T-I-N-G. Holding, H-O-L-D-I-N-G. Holding. Writing, W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Writing. Eating, E-A-T-I-N-G, eating. Making, M-A-K-I-N-G, making. So we use our hands and arms, fingers for lifting, holding, writing, eating and making. Like our hands, we use our legs and feet for different work. We use our feet and legs for standing, walking, running, kicking, cycling and jumping. See, we use our legs for standing. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing. We use our legs and feet for standing. We use our legs for walking. We use our legs for running. We use our legs for kicking. We use our legs for cycling. We use our legs for jumping. What are the spelling of standing, walking, running, kicking? Standing, S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing. I use my legs for standing. Then I use my legs for walking, W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking. I use my legs for running, R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. Kicking, I use my legs for kicking, K-I-C-K-I-N-G, kicking. I use my legs for cycling, C-Y-C-L-I-N-G, cycling. I use my legs for jumping, J-U-M-P-I-N-G, jumping. So once again children, how many eyes do we have? Ears, mouth, nose. What are the number? We have 2 eyes, 2 hands, 2 ears, 2 legs, 1 mouth, 10 fingers, 1 nose, 10 toes, 1 tongue, 2 knees. See, and what are the different uses of our hands and legs? Learn, read the lesson and prepare for the test. Thank you.